Ever hung a picture frame and stepped back only to realize it's tilted? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're breaking down the best laser levels for picture hanging, covering brightness, ease of use, value, and more, so you can find the perfect tool and finally get those walls looking sharp. Let's get into it. Number 1. PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level. The PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level is a no-fuss, budget-friendly pick that gets the job done for basic picture hanging. It uses a red laser and built-in bubble vials to help you nail horizontal and vertical alignment without any complicated setup. The push-pin wall mounting makes it super easy to attach right to your wall. It runs on batteries, it's compact, and it's lightweight, so it's easy to store and grab when you need it. Don't expect it to light up a big room since the range is short, but for indoor picture hanging, it checks all the boxes. A great starter tool for anyone just getting into home decor projects. Next up, the Motovera Self-Leveling Laser Level brings a serious upgrade with a bright green crossline beam that's far easier to see than red. It self-levels automatically, so you don't have to fiddle with adjustments every time you move it. The adjustable brightness is a genuinely useful touch that lets you dial in visibility for different lighting conditions. On top of that, it has a waterproof build and magnetic mounting compatibility, making it more versatile than most tools in this price range. The long indoor range means it works well even in larger rooms. If you want something brighter and more reliable for renovations or serious picture hanging sessions, this is a premium pick worth considering. Number 3. AikTryee Laser Level Line Tool. The AikTryee Laser Level Line Tool is a fun little 3-in-1 gadget that bundles a red laser, a tape measure, and triple bubble levels into one compact package. It's manually operated, so there's no self-leveling, but for quick measurements and simple alignment tasks, it covers a lot of ground. Setup is fast, and it's super lightweight. The built-in tape measure is genuinely handy when you're measuring wall space between frames. The red laser has a short indoor range, so it works best in smaller rooms or hallways. This is a solid budget pick for someone who wants a multi-purpose tool without spending much. Coming in at number 4, the Huepar Self-Leveling Laser Level is one of the most trusted names in the DIY space for a reason. It fires a bright green crossline beam with both horizontal and vertical lines, giving you a full alignment grid to work with. The magnetic mounting bracket makes it easy to set up on metal surfaces or tripods. What really sets it apart is the pulse mode, which extends visibility when you're using it with a detector in bright light. The long indoor range means it handles bigger spaces with ease. If you're serious about getting your wall decor perfectly level, the Huepar is a tried-and-true favorite that delivers every time. Number 5. Nikotek Self-Leveling Laser Level. The Nikotek Self-Leveling Laser Level keeps things simple with a compact build and easy one-button operation. It projects a green crossline beam, self-levels automatically, and is designed for straightforward indoor DIY tasks like picture hanging and shelf placement. The medium to long range gives you decent coverage for most home projects. It's portable, it's affordable, and there's no steep learning curve. You basically just turn it on and go. Great for someone who wants the convenience of self-leveling without paying a premium price. An honest and reliable option for everyday home decorating. Number 6. PREXISO Self-Leveling Laser Level. The PREXISO Self-Leveling Laser Level is the brand's more capable follow-up, adding a green crossline beam and automatic self-leveling to their lineup. It even comes with batteries included, so you can open the box and start hanging right away. The out-of-level warning alert is a small but smart feature that saves you from misaligned frames. It has a medium indoor range and a compact form factor that's easy to handle in tight spaces. It's positioned as a simple, reliable home alignment tool. Not the most powerful on the list, but very easy to use. A clean and practical pick for hanging frames, mirrors, and shelves around the house. Number 7. Fantic D 2-Pocket Green Laser Level. Now here's something different. The Fantic D 2-Pocket Green Laser Level is built for people who want high performance in an ultra-compact package. It's USB rechargeable, which means no hunting for batteries, and the bright green beam gives you crisp, clear lines even in well-lit rooms. The magnetic mounting lets you stick it to metal surfaces with zero hassle. The D2 is genuinely pocket-sized, making it the easiest laser level on this list to carry and store. Self-leveling is built in, so accuracy is automatic. If you're into clean, minimal setups and want a modern tool that feels premium, this one is a standout pick. Number 8. Rockseed Laser Level. The Rockseed Laser Level delivers impressive visibility with a bright green crossline beam that covers a long indoor range. Its rotatable magnetic base is a standout feature. You can angle the unit to hit tricky mounting spots that fixed-base tools can't reach. It's compact, portable, and self-leveling for quick, accurate alignment. For a laser level at this price point, the build quality and beam brightness punch well above their weight class. Whether you're hanging a gallery wall or aligning shelves across a long room, it handles the job smoothly. A great value pick for anyone who wants solid visibility without breaking the bank. Number 9. Black Decker Laser Level. The Black Decker Laser Level is a classic choice for basic picture hanging, and it does exactly what you'd expect from a well-known brand. It uses a red laser with built-in bubble levels and includes wall attachment hardware, so you can mount it directly. Operation is simple, and the handheld design makes it easy to use in any room. It's a manual tool, so there's no self-leveling, and the range is short for indoor use. But for simple, everyday picture-hanging tasks, it's reliable and straightforward. If you trust the Black Decker name and want something no-nonsense, this fits the bill perfectly. Number 10. Bosch Self-Leveling Laser Level. If you want the best of the best, the Bosch Self-Leveling Laser Level is the pro-grade option on this list. It uses a red crossline beam with precise self-leveling and comes with a magnetic mounting bracket for flexible positioning. Bosch's professional-grade construction means this tool is built to last through countless projects. The long indoor range and accurate alignment make it a top choice for serious DIYers and even light professional use. It's not the cheapest option, but you're paying for reliability and accuracy you can count on every time. A well-worth-it investment if you plan to tackle big renovations or professional-level picture installations. Number 11. Sigmund Self-Leveling Laser Level. The Sigmund Self-Leveling Laser Level packs a lot of features for its price point, including a rechargeable battery, a bright green beam, and cross-line projection that works well across long indoor ranges. Self-leveling is automatic, so setup time is minimal and accuracy is dialed in from the start. It also includes portable mounting support for flexible positioning. The rechargeable design is a big practical plus, especially if you're hanging a lot of frames in one session. Beam brightness is one of Sigmund's strongest selling points here, making lines easy to see in most lighting, a feature-packed option that delivers great value for frequent home alignment tasks. Rounding out our list, the Nikotek Self-Leveling Laser Level is a strong budget performer that doesn't cut corners on the basics. It comes with a magnetic bracket, green crossline projection, and automatic self-leveling, all the essentials you need for picture-perfect wall hanging. The compact design keeps it portable and easy to store. The long indoor range gives it solid versatility for different room sizes. And the simple DIY operation means anyone can pick it up and use it right away. For the price, the performance is genuinely impressive. If you're after affordable precision for your next picture-hanging project, the Nikotek is a smart pick to close the list on. So there you have it, 12 great laser levels for picture hanging at every budget. If you want the best all-around value, keep an eye on the Huepar and the Fantic D2. Links to all products are in the description below. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know.